Managing your Arvest corporate card accounts is easy with CentreSuite. CentreSuite is an online, self-service solution that offers a convenient way to manage your Arvest corporate card accounts so you can spend more time focusing on your business. Imagine being able to manage spend controls, adjust cardholder credit limits, restrict purchases, and more from one easy-to-access location. Log into CentreSuite to effortlessly search for an account and instantly access key information, including line of credit, cardholders, previous day's balance, and more, which can be exported as an Excel file with just a click. You can also search for an individual cardholder and see details such as account number and location, as well as account status. Need to temporarily block or close a card? Select the option from the drop-down menu and click Submit to make the change in real time. You can also set card limits and establish single purchase limits immediately in real time. In addition, you have the ability to add a merchant category group to limit transactions to specific types of purchases, such as pay at the pump. Managing temporary spend controls is as easy as searching for the account, selecting it, entering the new credit limit, and selecting the start and end dates. Manage your Arvest corporate card accounts with ease and efficiency with CentreSuite. To learn more, contact us today.